If you're in the market for a reliable, professional-grade table saw that blends precision with portability, Bosch is a name you can trust. In this video, we're reviewing 5 of the top-rated Bosch table saws available on Amazon. Let's begin with the Bosch 4100 XC-10 10-inch Worksite table saw, a favorite among professionals for its combination of stability, precision, and portability. It features a robust 15-amp motor that produces 4.0 max horsepower and spins at 3,650 RPM, offering excellent cutting power for hardwoods, sheet goods, and framing lumber. The standout feature is the gravity rise wheeled stand, which makes it incredibly easy to move the saw between locations and set it up quickly. With a 30-inch rip capacity and Bosch's square lock rip fence system, this saw is made for accurate, smooth cuts. It's a top pick for job site work where power and mobility are both critical. Next up is the Bosch GTS 15-10 10-inch portable job site table saw, a newer model that builds on Bosch's legacy of worksite excellence. It offers a slightly wider rip capacity at 32 and 1/8 inches, making it ideal for cutting 4x8 sheet materials. Like the 4100 XC-10, it features a powerful 15-amp motor and the trusted gravity rise stand. This model also includes thoughtful safety features like a soft start and blade brake, which enhances user control and reduces the risk of kickback. Reviewers appreciate its sturdy construction and ease of adjustment, especially when transitioning between ripping and cross-cutting tasks. It's ideal for contractors who need fast, repeatable cuts on framing, plywood, or trim materials. For those looking for ultimate mobility, the Bosch GTS 18VV-08N PROFACTOR 18 V table saw offers cordless convenience without sacrificing cutting capacity. This 8 1/4 inch portable saw is powered by Bosch's advanced 18-volt battery system and is part of their Biturbo brushless lineup, delivering the equivalent of corded performance in a compact, battery-powered format. The rack and pinion fence system allows for fast and precise adjustments, and the overall unit is light enough to carry with one hand. This saw is an excellent choice for trim carpenters, framers, and anyone working in environments where power access is limited. It's perfect for punch list work and on-the-go tasks where dragging cords just isn't practical. If you're looking for a complete cordless kit, the Bosch GTS 18V-08N14 PROFACTOR 18 V-Table Saw Kit includes everything you need, including Bosch's high-capacity core, 18V 8.0 Ah battery. This package is ideal for those who want a ready-to-run system with the power to cut through tough materials. The kit leverages Bosch's Biturbo technology for unmatched cordless performance, and it supports a 25-inch rip capacity. This model features on-tool accessory storage and built-in safety elements like restart protection, ensuring professional-grade operation. For tradespeople seeking freedom from extension cords without compromising on precision, this kit is a well-balanced solution. Finally, the Bosch GTS 1031 10-inch portable job site table saw has long been a favorite for professionals seeking maximum portability without losing cutting power. Though currently harder to find in stock, it features a compact design with an all-steel base and a balanced carry handle for one-handed transport. With a 10-inch blade and a rugged motor, it's capable of handling a wide range of cutting tasks, from ripping plywood to framing cuts on the job. The Smart Guard system enhances user safety while maintaining full visibility of the blade during operation. Contractors love its job site durability and straightforward usability, making it one of Bosch's most practical saws for small to medium projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and professional buying guides.